Hello there. If you run a business, manage a commercial property, or own a home in Truro or across Cornwall, you already know what a beautiful and unique part of the country this is. As the capital of Cornwall, Truro is a thriving centre for retail, culture and industry. However, our beautiful oceanic climate and geographical position come with distinct weather and security challenges. That is where we can help. I am here to introduce you to HVP Security Shutters, your local Cornish security shutter specialists. Even though HVP works nationwide and internationally today, the West Country has been our home since the 1990s. Truro serves as our main operational base for security shutter installations west of Plymouth. With over 30 years of experience, we know the area inside out. Because our engineers are local, we can offer incredibly fast installation, reliable planned maintenance, and a 24-hour emergency call-out repair service. Being right on your doorstep also means we can provide you with some of the most competitive prices in the region. Living and working close to the Atlantic coast means dealing with plenty of rain, salt air, and strong winds. We take Cornwall's mild but wet climate into account with every installation, focusing on durable weather seals and high-quality, corrosion-resistant finishes. Our shutters don't just secure your property, they act as a vital shield against the elements. We have a massive range of options tailored to fit any building's style and security requirements. For example, we are incredibly proud to be the preferred security shutter supplier for one of the best-known high-end jewelers in the Southwest. Michael Spears Jewelers trusted us to secure their prestigious store right here in Truro. They chose our premium Armor Shield roller shutter. It perfectly matches their high-end branding, keeping their premises incredibly secure after hours, while still allowing their luxury displays to remain beautifully visible to passers-by. Whether you need heavy-duty commercial shopfront shutters, fire-rated roller doors that close automatically in an emergency, elegant real timber shutters for a reception desk, space-saving collapsible gates, transparent polycarbonate shutters, or a secure, insulated roll-up garage door for your home, we have a custom-built solution for you. We can configure your shutters for manual or effortless electric operation, seamlessly blending them into both historic structures and modern designs. When you partner with HVP, you are choosing a certified installer that prioritizes quality and safety. We are fully accredited by the DHF, ISO 9001 certified, and recognized as a Constructionline Gold supplier. If you have an upcoming project anywhere in Truro or the wider Cornwall area, we would love to help you find the perfect fit. We are always happy to visit your premises to discuss your options, or we can quickly provide you with a free, no-obligation quote. Give our local Truro team a call on 01872709349 or send us an email at info@hvpshutters.co.uk. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to helping you protect your property.